moment. So this keynote is about Pharma is going digital. And prior to the panel, the keynote will be given by Lucas Nahren of the company Global. So Lucas, please take the stage and join us with the keynote. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, we have here this one. Okay, thanks. But it's going to. Let's put it here. Over here. It's going to. That's okay. Better. Well, hello everyone. Glad to be part of this event with Globant and myself. So excited. Let's talk about. I imagine that you have seen our logo all around, and it's here if you have not seen it yet. So I'm Lucas. I'm the global director for healthcare and life science reinvention studio at Globant. Let's talk a bit about Globant. That's it. And well, hello there, people. Also, it's full of people everywhere. So really nice. Globant. We are a multinational, digitally native IT consultant and services company. We started in Latin America back in 20 years, but nowadays we are public in the New York Stock Exchange. We have reached nearly 30,000 employees worldwide. We have offices in 21 countries, operations there, and in many more cities, of course, around 60 cities. We nowadays, this event is for healthcare and life science, but we work for other kind of industry, for example, retail, finance, and so on. But let's talk about healthcare here. Those are part of our trusted clients. We have started with Google, nowadays a lot working with Disney. And the idea of the company also is try to reinvent the organizations, try to help them to reach their own potential and maximum potential, and try to cross-pollination between those industries and the industries that are not part of this segment. For example, nowadays, how we can bring solutions that we learn from Disney or Google or even Apple to the healthcare and life sciences market. So that's Globant. Recent recognitions, we do have some recognitions that are between the top 10 companies in IT consultancy services. We have recently been recognized as one of the leaders by Quadrant, basically in the experience and impact on clients. So this is our major recognitions. Well, let's talk about healthcare and life science. Healthcare and life science, we work basically in 4 different verticals and some other solutions. Our main clients are pharmaceutical industry, insurances, health insurance for sure, and investors, and also big hospitals. 4 verticals in the healthcare and life sciences market. The first one is related to R&D, and the premise is always the same: how technology and our expertise could bring solutions to the pharma companies that are looking for R&D improvement, or operational, and so on. So it's important to mention that we have our way of working. We have 30 different digital studios where our expertise in technology is located. For example, metaverse, for example, blockchain, data and AI, scalable platforms. And we do have the reinvention studios, the one that I'm part of, the reinvention of healthcare and life science. So we bring all this technology in the expertise capabilities in the digital studio to the reinvention studio to solve industry's problems. So first vertical, R&D. The second vertical that we work is clinical trials. That's decentralization of clinical trials. You know that after the pandemic, there's been more flexibility in terms of FDA and EMA in how we can help organizations to bring data from patients home to decentralize the clinical trial. So we have some work over there. Disease management and value-based healthcare is our third vertical, and here we try to bring solutions that are aimed to increase diagnosis of diseases, to improve people to have a better lifestyle so they can reach at the 80s to play paddle. Those kind of things we work. Value-based healthcare models we implement. We help organizations from the consultancy up to the end-to-end solutions, bringing digital to those kind of models. And the fourth vertical is related to the go-to-market strategy. Many work there with the pharmaceutical industry that they nowadays want to engage with ACPs in different models, in different ways, omni-channel, and so on. This is the verticals that we have in our health and life science reinvention studio. I bring to you some cases, mainly 3 cases, different ones. We do have more case uses, but one of those are related to how we can help people together with Apple. Apple is one of our major partnerships. We build a solution with them. It's not common that Globant bring products. Globant is not a product-driven company, but in this case, we do have a product with Apple that is ours, and we develop with them just to help people to live healthier, to complete their health goals and so on, personalized and so on. Other kind of things that we were are disrupting the care ecosystem totally. This one, for example, is a case that we have with SulAmérica. That is a provider and insurance in Brazil. So here, the idea was to reinvent totally how they engage with patients, to transform the delivery of care there. So we put major efforts to work with them. Lastly, one of the things that we are also working a lot and seeing a lot of demand from many places, for example, hospitals, how we can bring solutions, we gamify solutions to common things. For example, people that is suffering for pain in infusional sites, day hospitals, and so on. So these kind of things are the one that we work at Globant. So that's it, and not lastly, importantly, we have a booth over there. We have a room, the first one, that you would see from the entrance. Try to join us, try to visit our virtual booth also, and in the room there's a surprise. There's a demo on Metaverse in healthcare, for example. If you want to go there, use the Googles and so on. It's really fancy, it's really nice, and take some pictures there. So thanks a lot, and well, that's it.
Yeah, don't move.
Yeah.
Don't move too fast.
Okay. Well,
yeah, thank you very much to Lucas. I was while you were talking, I was distracted looking for the app you were saying. So, well, Lucas was explaining this is now time for the second panel that you'll be moderating. No, sorry, you will not be moderating. Sorry, it's going to be by
surprise.
Alain Mazet. It was a surprise for you, yeah.